Hey guys, Billy Campbell here with Hawg Power Sports. Today we're going to be talking about all of our seat options. Now, standard golf cart seats, they're nice, they're comfortable, that kind of thing. But do they have the look? Do they really have the quality material that you're looking for? And so a lot of our customers will opt for the upgrades. Of course, we build a lot of custom carts as spec and we upgrade them ourselves. But these seat covers, they're custom quality seat covers. We love those guys. They work really well with us. But here's a couple of options. Not necessarily that there are too many different patterns, but the diamond stitching these days is just kind of what everybody's going to. So you'll notice all of these do happen to have diamond stitching. We've got the white here, and you'll notice it has a smooth, shiny texture. It really helps from things actually getting beat up on it. But I want to show you a couple of colors. As audacious as, lime green, red. Then we have the classic saddle. Everybody really loves this. The gray. There's about this many different colors when you put them in a swatch, but I want to just kind of go over a few here. Some of the things you can see on some different covers here, we've got ostrich, you've got just standard grays and blacks, shinies, not shinies. The world's your oyster, man. Whatever you want to do, we can knock it out for you here at Hawg Power Sports. All the colors, pick your color cart, pick your color seats, we'll match it up for you. The cart of your dreams is out the door and it's yours. Hawg Power Sports, 2740 Ogeechee Road and hogpowersports.com. Get squealing.